We're going to be taking a look at MJTK, currently traded at 0040, starting to pick up in that volume over here. And last time that we taken a look at the stock on the 18th, I said 0044. Selling needs a slow and interest to build. Watch for a bounce back into the lower Bollinger Band. That again was going to be over here, guys. Right here. You guys went sideways, pulled you guys back in that lower Bollinger Band. We got exactly that. With that being said, you broke through that support at 0042. And then coming back up right now, that volume picking up. Hopefully that selling continues to slow. Like I said, very pivotal point for this one. If you look back in here, you guys came back down to this beginning to where it all started back in January. That being said, 0042 would be a nice break. If you guys get back above that, your next one following up at 0048, we'd like to see through, breakthrough rather. And then a break of the 0068. Again, this one's probably going to come down to about 0064. Even within the next few days or so. Breaking that 0068 on that 30-day would obviously be a bullish move right now. You guys are still going to be in that oversold territory. Look at that RSI at 33 just yesterday on the 27th at 24. Complete beatdown. Like I said, way too much selling. That is what I see going on here with those high volume days, and the price keeps dropping. So hopefully that selling continues to slow, turns you guys around, breaks through that resistance level at 0042. Off of that, you're going to have quite a ways up. It can move pretty quick up to 5.8, and a break of that 6.8 would be a bullish move. That's what we're watching for with MJTK as far as the chart, and we'll see what Joe has to add to the company.
All right, so the latest on these guys was there was a press release yesterday, not a press release, it was an 8K that was received on April 27th for the period ending March 13th, 2017. So I pulled it up, and it says, because of the current bylaws regulating the conduct of business and affairs of CannaSys for the bylaws of its predecessor, Thermo Tennis Incorporated, the board of directors determined that it was in the best interest of CannaSys to amend and restate its bylaws as attached hereto as Exhibit 3.05. The new bylaws fully replaced the previous bylaws. So that's pretty much that. So, I mean, if I scroll down to 3.5, see what it is. 05. All right, so it is special meetings. So special meetings of the board of directors may be called by or at the request of the chairman of the board, president, or any two directors. In the absence of the disability of the president, by any president or vice president, the person or persons authorized to call special meetings of the board of directors may fix any place either within or without the state of Nevada as the place for holding any special meeting of the board of directors called by them. So that's it. They basically just added that within it into their bylaws. All right. So if you want to do more due diligence on CannaSys Incorporated, just go right over to the MJTK board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by using that board right there, the CannaSys Incorporated.
All right, this is what we're looking at right now. All that stuff that Joe was talking about is available over here on Investors Hangout, completely free. Back on the chart, 004, resistance at 4.2, 5.8, and 6.8, support 3.2, must hold. Again, watch for that selling to slow. Looks like it has right now. If it continues to do so and that interest continues to pick up, this one might be setting up. But I mean, like I said, especially a break of that 0042 would be a really nice step in the right direction. Okay, the volume at 41 million right now. The average for the last 20 days is around 21 million. So you guys are definitely coming back up through here. We'll continue to watch it. Might be setting up for another bounce. That is for sure. MJTK, if you follow the stock, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And get out there, share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. If you'd like to join in on our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.